morning. As you have witnessed, we just did the quick briefing on the effects of Typhoon Enteng in Rizal specifically, and also the responses of the rest of the agencies around the country, because Enteng is not only localized here in this area, but dumaan na sa northern Luzon. So we are just having to deal with a very large volume of water that rained upon all of the affected areas. And what we had before in terms of flood control, in terms of controlling the flow of water, which was sufficient for many, many years, it turns out now is no longer sufficient, and we have to come up with new strategies, and that's what we discussed today. Once again, I explained, especially to the local government and government of Nina here, and the other members of the those who are in the meeting, about what our strategies can be in terms of making sure that the water does not come into the low-lying areas anymore by building the impounding projects upstream. So as a response, maayos naman ang response natin. Inaalala ko lang talaga, dahil kung kagaya nangyari sa Carina, na naubos lahat ng supply namin ng mga food pack, ng mga lahat ng gamit na binibigay natin as a relief response. May parating na naman na baka maging bagyo. Kaya kailangan natin tignan na mabuti kung ano yung ginagawa natin and make sure that we have sufficient supplies for everyone. Kung mangyari talaga yon na may dumating pang bagong bagyo pagkatapos itong Enteng, handa naman tayo na meron tayong sapat na supply para naman makatulong tayo at mabili natin ang tulong ng mga nadaanan naging biktima ng bagyo. So that's the state of play at the moment. We will just keep responding, but at the same time, we are not only sending relief goods. We are very, very busy planning the large-scale, long-term plan. Although we already have it, we still have to. It's an old plan, and it was relevant for maybe 5, 6, maybe even more, maybe 10 years ago. Nagbago na rin yung weather, so we have to revise it to make sure that it is addressing the challenges that the new weather is bringing. And it's become very difficult for PAGASA, for our scientists to forecast this very changeable weather that we have, that has not been seen before in human history. It's that big a change. So yun ang ating, that is what we have to deal with, and I think we'll be able to manage it, but we have to come up with new strategies, new long-term solutions that might take a little time before they take effect. But we will rush it as quickly as possible.